Our cooks are an essential part of the community, and campers love to be in the kitchen. They really want to be there. They want to help chop, they want to help prep, they want to learn, they want to be with our cooks. Kitchens are so important to so many of us growing up, and for some campers, they feel most at home helping in our kitchens. And for the cooks, it's nice to have the help, but it does add another layer to getting the meal ready. In addition to all the things you're thinking about normally, you also having to think about the campers and the skills they need and how to give coaching and feedback that's, appropriate for a camper. And sometimes the campers even cook and serve the entire meal themselves, which is such a sight to see. Campers also do chores. They do all the dishes after each meal. Here, cooks cook and our campers clean. It's our way of taking care of each other and keeping the community going. When you come cook at Farmer Wilderness, campers will be there too.